Hey guys, welcome to my first assembly video, and what we're doing today is I'll show it to you, it is the Hobby Park model RC car work stand, and it says it'll hold up to a 1/8 scale. For some reason it says on and off brand, weird, but anyways, that's pretty much what it's going to look like when I'm done with it, so we'll see what happens. And I bought red. They have a whole bunch of different colors. They have red, blue, orange, I think regular stainless steel look. So I just went with red because I'm eventually going to change out my whole truck and everything's going to be red. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. One of the complaints I saw when I was looking at the reviews was, I don't know if you can hear this. Yeah. That's not just because the threads are so wide that it's rattling, but it's the fact that it is not greased at all. Yeah, I know y'all can hear that, so let me hurry up and unscrew this and get this out of here. And what I'm going to do, yeah, y'all can hear the reviews right now. Anyways, I don't know if you can see this, but you can see this down here at the bottom. It's really white. It's just pretty much dust. So, yeah, I bought this stuff. It's a liquid wrench. It's pretty much like WD-40. So I'm just going to spray it down and lubricate it. And just clean it, mainly. There we go. Just clean it good. Pretty much WD-40, anything will work. This was on sale, so that should be plenty good enough. Looks good. So, as y'all can see. Now, alright, anyways, let's go ahead and get going. I don't know if I should spray the threads inside the housing. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, probably going to end up doing that. So, alright. Well, first off, let me go. Oh, look at that. Wow. That's night and day right there off the start. Look at that. I know y'all can barely hear it, but that's just normal right there. Great. Alright, so that works. So, but the crazy thing is, you know, I bought this thinking that at least would have some sort of pictures or something. That's the only picture there is, and there's no instructions whatsoever. Of course, there was plastic to hold it, but that's about it. So, the pictures online pretty much showed that this was the top, that was the bottom, this went here, this weight, which is in this bag, let me just go ahead and pop it open here, goes on the bottom of that, so obviously it's going to be like this. That's going to hold that, and then that's going to go on that, so it's going to look like that. And then, oh yeah, the pads, they go like this. Let's see, yeah, like that. Alright, so, and it's got screws here, and it came with some Allen wrenches. That's good. Alright, go ahead and open everything up and get started. Oh, one more thing, yeah, it has this magnetic strip that you put right here, and it's pretty much just to hold, like, screws and stuff while you're working. And of course it has that, centimeters and inches, I guess, if you want to measure, I don't know, shocks or tires or whatever. But let's go ahead and get started. I'm actually going to use this while I'm building to hold on to these screws so they don't go away here. Look at that. Look how small that is. Good grief. Look at that. Well, that tells you that works, don't it? Okay. Get rid of all that. Let's go ahead and get started. I guess the first thing we'll do is put this base together. Go ahead and put that together. So, and there's no buffer. You literally just, it's metal to metal. And the way it's looking, since it's drilled all the way through, there's really no right side to do it. So you just got to pretty much give it all it's got. Let's see. Is that how it goes? Yep, that's exactly how it goes. Okay. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to take this all the way out. Make this easier. I'm so glad I put that WD-40 in there. Or liquid wrench, whatever. Go ahead and put the screws in. Set it in the hole. Line it up here. I don't know if you can see that. Set that in there. Just gonna barely put it through. There. I'm doing that so I know it's at least lined up. Because now I'm gonna have to get this and put it on there and start it. There we go. That should have caught. Oh yeah, look at that first time. Nice. I'll show you. Yeah, obviously I could do it the other way, like this way. But yeah, probably should have done that to start with. Alright, cool. I don't want to do them too tight. I'm just going to do everything, then I'll tighten everything up. Look at that. So far, that looks pretty good. Cool. Alright. Man, this thing's coming in handy. Alright, so, I guess, what would be next? I guess to put this, right? Let's see, hold on. What's that for? I wish it came with some instructions. It's just kind of... What we'll do... I want to put these on last because I don't... These pads, because I don't want them to get, like, tore or whatever. So, let's see. Alright, so that goes down. Let's just go ahead and do this. Man! See, it's like I said, some of the reviews were saying that you should put grease and WD-40. Heck, that WD-40 did the trick. First go, no problem. So it's got two holes here on the side. And I guess that may be what these little things are for. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm going to pull it up here and let y'all see it. Those are like, I don't even know. They're like threaded. Just half screws or something. The only thing I can guess here, let's just keep going here. And that goes in there, right? Yeah, let's do that. Alright, so this is what I'm going to do. Take this out. I'm trying to do this so I don't have to, like, hold the whole thing while doing it. I'm going to do it like this. That's what I'm going to do. Sorry about the clinking and clanging, but this thing's metal, so this is part of it, I guess. Let me get the hole lined up first. I wonder if I should... Nah, I'm not going to WD-40 that. Knowing my luck, it'll loosen on its own. Screw that in the hole. There we go. I don't know if it's the same Allen wrench or not. Maybe that other one. Nope, it's the same one. Alright, there we go. Not wiggling or nothing, that's good. Alright, so, now, let's put it together. So, while I'm fixing to do that, let me show y'all. This is what they're talking about, how you raise and lower it. Well, obviously it's not going to wobble like that. There you go. So this is the way to lower it. So, of course, it would take you forever doing it this way, but there. That's probably ideal. Let's see. Yep, that'd probably be ideal right there. Okay, so now I know what these things are for. Alright, so what you're going to do, I know what these little things are for now, to keep it from doing that. So, I don't know if it's a good idea until I actually put my truck on here to go ahead and put those in. So, yeah, let's go ahead. But here's my thing. So before we go any further than that, let's figure out why it comes with 3. So I got one here, one hole here, one on the other side. Where in the world does the third one go? Is that just an extra? Let me tell you something. One, they ain't going to tell you how to build it. And then two, they're going to give you extra parts. So once you do figure it out, there you go. Alright, either way, let's keep going. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put this thing, let's see. Oh boy, let me show you that. You got to get that right the first time. Alright. Let's go ahead and put that in the hole. Let's go ahead and drop it in. We'll do it like this. There we go. Go ahead and drop it in the hole. Like that. Oh, look at that first time. Well, I don't know. We'll see. Well, let's see. Man, this is tough. Alright, hold on. Let me try it. Let me try this. Wow. Alright, so I got another way I'm going to do this. I'm just going to go ahead and put it on the Allen wrench. Hold it that way and do it that way. Yep, that's the way to do it. Alright, I'm not going to do it all the way because I need to figure out where I'm going to put it first. Yeah, I know this video is kind of long. Sorry about that. This is, like I said, they don't give any instructions or anything to put this together. Yeah, I probably could have looked up on YouTube to see if anybody else did it, but I was going to try to do it on my own. Alright, so those are in. That's good. Let's just say, for instance, we're going to loosen that. We're going to keep it right there. So get, nah, let's go a little more. Right here. Does that give me enough clearance? Let's see, right there. Yeah. Alright, we're going to go ahead and lock it in here. So once you get it to your certain height, just those little side pieces, those little side screws, just go ahead and tighten it in. Make sure you got that thing lined up straight though. Yep, that's exactly what that's for. Look at that, stopped it. Let me loosen it a little bit. Get it lined up straight. And tighten it. I wouldn't over tighten it just because. Look at that. Yep. Okay. Of course that's not probably straight. Let's see. Yeah. Either way. That's fine. I can straighten it up later. We will keep that on there. Just to see how good this magnet is. If I lose it, whatever. Take the strip off and place it in the middle. I'm just going to put it between these two holes here. Right dead center. There. Pretty good on the first try. Let's see. Just like that. Push down on it. Set that aside right there so I can see it. I'll hold on to it. Push on that. That's good. Look at that. That's cool. Alright. Move this out of the way. Now we'll go ahead and peel this off. Let's see. Let's go ahead and pop these little holes out. Now see, I don't know if they mean for you to use this for something else. Maybe. You know what? Probably. You could probably use these on the bottom as like little footings, so it wouldn't scrape your table. But here's the problem. You do that, you take away from the surface area here. So you could go from that, not moving, to possibly maybe tipping over. So I wouldn't recommend that. I mean, you could if you wanted to, but I wouldn't recommend it. Alright. Let's go ahead and get this going. Alrighty. Let's see. Let's do this way. Wait a minute. I think we're just going to keep doing it too mean. Oh, this is gonna have to be on the money. That's good. Oh, buddy. Yep, this is gonna be one of those deals. There we go. Be wary when doing this part. You may line up this side, but over here, I had to kind of like push it together and kind of arch it. You see what it's doing? So I've got to kind of like push it over like that way and just mush it all in. And still, you got to kind of maneuver it. As you see, it's kind of missing the hole a little bit. Hey guys, sorry for the little hiccup in the video. Like I said, what I'll do is when I get done, I'll push it down. Figure out how to do everything and just learning how to do this. But anywho, yeah, here it is. I just got through building it, and the only qualm I have about the whole thing, before I go anywhere else, is that there was no instructions to any of this. So I just, it's kind of just figure it out as you go. But, besides that, I think it's a pretty great stand, honestly. You'll notice the variation's different. All I did was unscrew that and turn it because when I went to try to put my slash, my Traxxas 1/10 scale slash, that is, I originally tried to put it this way, and it would just like kind of countersink and stuff. And the reason for that is because this right here, the skid plate would, well, sorry, y'all can't see that. The skid plate right here would hit pretty much dead center right there. So it was kind of just tilting over and it just wasn't working out. So what I ended up doing was just turning it that way. And let me show you how much better it feels. Pretty much you can just kind of just do it the first time. I know it took me twice, but you get the idea. Let me shine a little light down here so you can kind of see what I'm doing. Yeah, see if it's so much better. See, it fits between those two right there. Yeah, either way, it works pretty good. And it gives me plenty of room too, so that's a good thing. But other than that, this thing will be great for possibly, I think, I know it's obviously I put my 1/10 scale on there, but I think a 1/16 scale, 1/18 scale car, those little small ones, this will be a great little stand for that. And not bad for the money. I didn't pay much for it. Bought it on Amazon. But there it is. A little Hobby Park RC car stand is like that they like to call it. But thanks everybody for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Like I said, I'm just getting started, so everything's kind of, here, there, trying to get everything working. I will be getting a new camera soon, so just bear with me on that. But thanks again, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.